Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over this document that was leaked out on StockTwits regarding Tesla's 20-for-1 stock split. Now, before I get into this, just to let you know, this has not been verified by Tesla. This has not been released on TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, or Yahoo Finance, or anything like that. So I take it for what you will. But this was, again, this is a document that was shared on Twitter and StockTwits, and I wanted to go over it. We're also going to look at an article from the Motley Fool regarding Tesla, and also, of course, break down the charts, see what they're telling us, and I'll kind of let you know my plan moving forward with Tesla. So just to reiterate, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in our videos, please subscribe to the channels, hit the notification bell, like the video, share it with a friend, so we can get the word out and gain some more subscribers, help some more people. So, okay, so this is from April 15th, 2022. It says notification of corporate action for a security held in your JP Morgan account. It says we have recently noticed that the security listed below, which you currently hold in your JP Morgan account, will undergo a corporate action. We are providing you with the terms of the corporate action for your reference. Please note that we are providing this notification to you for information purposes only. Any proceeds and or shares you may receive as a result of the corporate action will be credited to your account upon receipt. Okay, so go down further here, and it says terms of the corporate action. Corporate action event is a stock split, and it says security identifier, gives you a number. Security description, Tesla. Terms of the offer, preliminary information, 20-for-1 stock split. Okay, so this was from 4/15/2022. Again, this has not been verified. I have not gotten anything from TD Ameritrade to my knowledge. I keep up with my emails and messages and everything from them, pretty recent. So if there's anyone who maybe has a securities account and trades stocks on JP Morgan, if you got the same thing, if you can verify, because this could be true, but this could also be someone who typed this up and shared it on the internet to kind of get, a buzz and have Tesla start moving, because this is pretty basic. Okay, this is a pretty basic document to where you could type it up on Microsoft Word and you can turn it into a PDF and make it look just like this, right? So I'm not sure if it's a legit thing or if it's something that someone made themselves. So take it for what you will. But I think that we do need to keep an eye on Tesla, keep an eye on the news, because it could come out any day now, and now would be the perfect time for, or maybe not right at this moment, but soon to announce that, being that, all the attention is being shifted over towards Twitter with Elon Musk buying out Twitter. So you could see a potential sell-off in the stock, and then boy, that would be great, because all of a sudden they come out and announce a stock split, and for those people who weren't paying attention, could miss a really, really good buy-in for Tesla. So let's take a look at this article from the Motley Fool. It says tech sell-off, and this is from today, April 26th. One stock split stock to buy now and hold forever. Okay, so let's go down here. It says Tesla is preparing to split its stock, but there are better reasons to buy it right now. So even they're saying the stock split is coming. All right, there's just no verification yet from the company. It says the stock market has given investors a bumpy ride in 2022, particularly for those invested in the tech sector. The NASDAQ index is down 19% to date, but it's declined over 20% from its all-time high set in December 2021. That places it in bear market territory. Some large companies have turned to unconventional methods to buoy their stock prices amid the volatility. Tesla is one of the handful that has selected to split its stock in a bid to make it more attractive to smaller investors. While the move doesn't add any value to the company, Tesla's recent operational performance certainly does. So they go on to talk about how the stock splits are cosmetic. Like it says, it's not going to add any value to your position. Okay, basically what it does is it makes it cheaper for people to come in and buy that stock. Okay, so they do it if the company is valued at $1,000, then whatever The split is you would divide the share price by that. So if it's at $1,000, once the split happens, you would divide it by 20, okay, to get your new share price. However, your value is going to stay the same, okay, if you hold through that split, basically. So for example, if I have 5 shares at $1,000 a piece, that's $5,000, okay. Now let's say we do the stock split, okay, and all of a sudden, instead of 5 shares, now I have 100 shares, okay, but now they're only valued at $50 a share because I divided 1,000 by 20. I still have a value of $5,000. But the good thing is, if people see that that the stock price is super low, okay, then people are going to be more inclined to buy it, which means that's going to make your value start slowly going up again. Just like that's what happened last time with Tesla stocks, but it went all the way up to like $2,500 or something before the split, and then split happened, and then now we're back to over $1,000. Okay, and you see the growth that Tesla has, and it's consistent growth year over year for its electric vehicles. So you have a lot of reasons to buy Tesla other than just the stock split, but obviously that's a huge catalyst that we have to watch out for. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's see what they're telling us, and let's go from there. All right, guys, taking a look at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and we have bounced off of that red SMA line like we talked about, but we do have another sell signal coming. Really no volume as of yet on the pre-market. No announcements or anything relevant to Tesla at the moment. It's all just a bunch of all kind of other stuff regarding Elon Musk and everything like that. Actually, let's see. Transfer switch. They did have an announcement that says that Tesla was granted a U.S. patent manual transfer switch for on-site energy generation and storage system. So that was something that popped up, but that's going to get buried in all these other articles that pop out, because Tesla has like 20 or 30 things that come out a day, and most of them aren't even relevant to what they're saying. So currently, guys, your support is 935. 935.64 is your support. The first level of resistance is $1,009. Okay, so if we go lower than 935, and you're looking at 861, 755, 621, and then your resistance, you have 1009, 1101, and then 1250. So my plan here is, if we can continue to sell off a little bit and get down to this 935 level or close to that, we're going to be undervalued on the RSI, and then that's where I'll hop in to do a swing play, a quick swing play, because I'm really not too sure how this is going to react the rest of the week. It's because if we go below, basically what we're at here, we're going to be flirting with or going below that red SMA line, which typically signals that you're in more of a bear market pattern. And you see here, once you cross below that, you could stay in that for a while. So you want to kind of be careful, but you do have your occasional spikes up, even in a bear market. So you'll pop down, pop up, fall down, pop up. So that's what I'll try to catch and get out. But then whenever the stock split is announced, which this is going to be announced at the annual shareholder meeting, the shareholders are going to vote on whether or not they want the stock split, and who in the heck would vote against the stock split. So once that's announced, then I think you'll see the stock start moving pretty aggressive, and I'll probably roll a lot of money into that and let it hold up until the stock split. And right before the stock split, I'm going to sell, take my profits, and then when the stock does split, I'll come back in and I'll buy lower, and then I'll wait for it to double, triple, quadruple, depending on exactly how low that share price is. So anyway, guys, let me know your comments below. Let me know if you got that letter from JP Morgan Chase like someone else did, and if you do have an account through them, let me know if you've heard any other news. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.